Welcome to UGC program E-Pathashala, the course Japanese History and Society. Now we have module number 1, which is actually Japan's geographical features. Objectives of this module is to introduce you to the very basic features of Japanese geography, and also geographical characteristics of Japan will be introduced to you, and also how geography in Japan, especially the island country nature, has an impact on human geography, that is mobility of human beings within the Japanese archipelago. At the end of this course, you will be able to identify the geographical regions in Japan, distinctive characteristics and influence on Japanese people's life, and also how it will influence their work style and also the ideas. Japan's political map is before you. Here all things that are in the fluorescent color are exactly Japan, and the yellow part is China, North Korea and South Korea. Japan's geographical map is this actually. It has got 4 main islands. The topmost is Hokkaido, the middle, the big one is called Honshu, and at the end of the Honshu on the southern part further south is Shikoku, and last one is Kyushu. Introduction relates to how Japan is surrounded on all sides by sea, and Sea of Japan and East China Sea on the east, Pacific Ocean in the west and on the south, and then Sea of Okhotsk in the northern part. 3000 plus small and big islands are actually around Japan, including all within the Japanese sovereignty and territory. Actually, Japan is also called Shimagumi in Japanese. Shimagumi is island country. 4 main Japanese islands are Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku and Kyushu. Okinawa is also one of the large islands which was under United States control, and in the year 1972 United States returned Okinawa island to Japanese administration. The total area of Japan is 377,915 square kilometer. From sub-zero temperature to tropical climate is the feature of Japanese climate generally. Winter is actually from late October to March, and it affects Hokkaido and Honshu maximum. 3 other seasons are summer, which is actually from June to September, then the spring, March to April, autumn, September to October. Terrain of Japanese archipelago is generally it is rugged and mountainous. 11.26% of the total land is arable, that is cultivable, and agriculture considerably is a significant occupation in Japan for long time. Much earlier period in Japanese history you go, much larger and more important the significance of agriculture becomes. Besides agriculture, fisheries is one of the most important part of Japanese livelihood from the very early human settlement. Paucity of plain land actually impacts greatly on human settlement equally significantly. Urban habitation actually Tokyo, Osaka, Nagoya, Kyoto, Fukuoka, etc. are among the densely populated cities of the world, easily can be compared to any of the 6 continents in the world. Population density is actually just 11,300 persons per square kilometer. Tokyo actually, this was the record revealed by Tokyo government in the year 2012. This is actually an average. Almost all of Japan's cities classified as megalopolis. Japanese entire archipelago of all the 4 and Okinawa have been divided into 8 regions. They are actually Hokkaido, Tohoku, Kanto, Chubu, Kansai, Chugoku, Shikoku and Kyushu. This is Japanese political map with prefectures. There are 47 prefectures in all, and some of them are special areas like Tokyo, for example, they call it Tokyo To, which is the national capital. And then they have another next largest city in Japan is Osaka, they call Osaka Fu. Rest are all prefectures, which in Japanese they call ken. There are some special areas like Hokkaido, Okinawa Development Authorities. Hokkaido, now let's introduce. This is the northernmost island amongst all the Japanese islands. The terrain, it is surrounded by Kamchatka Peninsula in the north. It is very mountainous, rugged and terrains. Primary occupation of the people in Hokkaido actually is majorly agriculture. 25% of the land there is cultivable. Vast ecological diversity also can be seen in island of Hokkaido. It is actually home to the Asiatic brown bear, Sakhalin fire and volcanic caldera. Due to location in the subarctic region, coldest part of Japan is Hokkaido. Land of extreme weather in Japan is in Hokkaido only. Temperatures below sub-zero for most of the year. No discernible seasons can be really seen in case of Hokkaido. And Hokkaido's human geography actually is one of the oldest occupied land of Japan, home of the Ainu people, who are actually one of the first, rather the very first inhabitants of Hokkaido Island. They are original inhabitants of Japan, called also Ezochi by Yamato people. Yamato, when we say, they are the mainland people who moved northwards to occupy northernmost part of Honshu and also Hokkaido. And Ainu actually people co-opted into the majority of culture, long struggle to restore traditional rights. Ainu culture, hunter-gathering, poorly treated. Hokkaido political map is this. Some of the all sides you can see is water, Sea of Japan, then the Pacific and also Northern Sea. Then is Tohoku region. Actually, Tohoku is the northernmost part of the Honshu, the largest island of Japan, and it is close proximity to Hokkaido. So, when we look at first Hokkaido, then we move down, then we find actually first the major part of Tohoku region, that is of Honshu's northernmost part. Predominantly this is hilly area, very mountainous. Owu mountains dominate and very popular there. Few lowlands are also there. Cities like Sendai, Morioka, Akita, Aomori, all can be seen there, and it is considerably populated. It is also called the granary of Japan, because for large part of civilization and medieval Japan, even in modern times, it is Tohoku region which was supplying maximum rice to rest of the Japanese needs. Important geographical features of this is Bandai, that is volcano, then Dewasanzan and also Mount Iwaki, Kitakami and Orosei. Important geographical features actually Mount Bandai, which is a volcano, then Dewasanzan, which is a series of mountains, then Mount Iwaki is there, Mount Kitakami is there, also Mount Oirase is there. It is also Oirase rivers actually, Matsushima Bay and Sanriku coastline. Tohoku climate actually is quite harsh weather due to proximity to Siberia. Great amount of rainfall do occur there. Average temperature actually vary from 20 to 30 degrees. And Tohoku human geography, if we look at, Tohoku part of Ainu habitation areas in ancient times we find. Yamato Japanese settled around 9th century. Before that it was mostly Ainus only. It remained outside of Japanese political order until about end of 17th century. Despite the efforts of population, significant out-migration do happen. Depopulation also has happening in modern times and even in contemporary time. There is very little sign of urbanization in the area. However, once you look at political map of Tohoku, which is in front of you, you find particularly 6 major prefectures in this region. From the top it is Aomori, then on the right side you have Iwate, beneath that you have Miyagi, then Fukushima, then Yamagata, then Akita. These are actually 6 prefectures in the northernmost part of Honshu Island, which is generally called Tohoku, that we are now talking about. This is also prone to earthquakes. If you remember, in the year 2011, on 11th of March, one of the major earthquake in the region of 10 degree in the Richter scale had happened alongside major tsunami and also leakage of nuclear radiation. And even now, Tohoku region has not come back to its normal social, cultural, economic and developmental activities. There is a national program of rehabilitation of the region and people going on, which is a long time process. Next we come to the immediate neighbor southern part of Tohoku, which is called Kanto terrain. 45% of the flat land you can find in Kanto area, which is very suitable for agriculture and habitation and equally city building. From the modern time onwards, we find lot of newer cities, larger cities, and in contemporary period, one of the smartest cities can be found in the Kanto region. Rice cultivation is very prominent in this region. Significant industrialization in post-Meiji period, in post-World War II period, we can prominently find in the Kanto region. Kanto climate is generally favorable with distinct season, clear 4 seasons. Temperature average about 10 degrees centigrade in winter and about 30 to 33 degrees centigrade in summer. Recently, tropical temperature 40 degrees have also been recorded, but not very regular, it is isolated case. Kanto human geography is its cradle of modern Japanese civilizations, particularly after Tokugawa period. Densely populated region it is. Tokyo is mostly responsible in the sense that it is one of the largest cities comparable easily to any of the large cities in the world. For example, if you take New York, New Jersey, Washington all rolled into one, it comes equivalent almost in terms of population of Tokyo. Seat of national government, it is also national cultural center, it is also national commercial center. You find industries, you find service companies, you also find giant corporate headquarters located in Kanto region. When we say Kanto region, Tokyo and the surroundings of it, that is basically in Saitama, also in Kanagawa, also in Chiba. Now originally it was called Edo, which was founded sometimes late 15th century. It was a seat of power of Tokugawa period. Kanto map is this. You find here Gunma prefecture, you find Tochigi prefecture, you find Ibaraki prefecture, you find Chiba prefecture, then also you have Tokyo, you have Kanagawa, in between Saitama also. So this is the prominent political, cultural, social, industrial activities plus corporate headquarters location in Japan. Then Kanto climate graph you have before you. Then Chubu terrain we come to. This is central Honshu, rugged and mountainous terrain, popular tourist spots, home to Mount Fuji, a very dormant volcano. And surrounding Mount Fuji, we have 5 very popular lakes. Actually, 4 years ago, a new 6th one has surfaced, and really most Japanese went around there in order to enjoy and spot as to which is this new one and how come all of a sudden it has come. It was quite a puzzle even in the media circles those days. However, Mount Fuji, when we say one of the most symbolic pictures of modern Japan, which has been maximum photographed object in the world. Agriculture is very, very common in this region. It is known for staple vegetables, tea and orange. Ise Bay area, especially in Nagoya, heavily it is industrialized. Toyota city is the production hub of automobile industries in the post-World War II period. Hokuriku rivers also is key source of hydropower. Niigata prefecture generates oil and gas. These are all forming in Chubu terrain area. Chubu climate is generally divisible into north, that is Japan seaside, and south Pacific Ocean. North side is much harsher winter, average rainfall and mild summers. South, milder winter, same rainfall as north but proper summer. Chubu political map is before you. Then Kansai terrain. This is a very, very interesting area, next only to Kanto area in terms of economic productivity and contribution to national GDP. It has a vast plain area called Osaka Plain. To the west of Osaka Plain is Seto Inland Sea. It is also called Seto Naika in Japanese. On the east is Biwa Lake, which actually is in Shiga Prefecture, north of Kyoto. This is one of the largest freshwater lake in Japan. North is the Sea of Japan and south is Kii Peninsula, where Ise Bay is actually located. Kansai climate is inland sea region known for mild climate. Stable seasons are located there and rainfall is rather low. Winter temperatures surround 10 degrees centigrade by day, slightly above freezing by night. Summer temperatures go up to 35 degrees here and very humid, muggy and hot. Typhoons frequently occur. Kansai human geography is very ancient region. It is a human settlement as old as prehistory. Kyoto actually is one of the oldest cities in the world, Japan's ancient capital. Few years ago, Kyoto celebrated 1200 years of their founding. Nara was the capital earlier than Kyoto of Japan. Osaka, centerpiece of Japan's business and industry. in the modern period, most of the industries were located in Osaka. Economic development of early modern period of Japan actually originated from Osaka, not from the Tokyo and surrounding area. Therefore, Kansai region even today has that prominent second place to Kanto throughout the post-World War II period. Now, Kobe, it's another important cosmopolitan cities in the world. Kobe has one of the busiest harbor of Japan. Export and imports do happen there. Some of the major industries are located there, especially to facilitate arrival of raw materials and exports of finished products. Especially Kobe Steel Company is well known for. This is the map of Kansai area. This is Kansai political map actually. You have now here Shiga, you have Kyoto, you have Nara, you have Mie, you have Okayama, and also you have Osaka just by the side of Hyogo. These 7 prefectures constitute actually Kansai region. Then is Chugoku terrain, nowadays called Sanin Sanyo. Sanin close to Sea of Japan, Sanyo close to Seto Naikai. Area of rolling hills actually, divided by mountain ranges. Agriculture, principal occupation of land, and also fishing was very important even now, and now no longer fishing dominates this region. However, other smaller and medium industries have taken over. Chugoku climate is temperature and rainfall varies from north to south. North coast gets more snow and rain, temperature slightly lower. Typhoon season comes quite early to this part. Chugoku human settlement actually, Sanyo is site of industrial production, most famous for Hiroshima, which is the site of nuclear bombing during World War II, and other interesting places in this area, Itsukushima Shrine, Iwakuni, Hagi Plains, and also Miyajima. Chugoku political map is this. This is southernmost part of Honshu Island. Next we have Shikoku terrain, third island of the Japanese home islands, bisected in half by mountain ranges. Northern half is lowlands, significant human populations. Southern half is less populated, rather unpopulated. Site of copper reserves, alluvial land producing rice, wheat, barley, etc. South contains timber reserves also. Yoshino River is a lifeline. Mount Ishijuchi is the highest mountain in the region. Shikoku climate is subtropical climate with short and mild winters, long hot summer. Rainfall is significant as typhoons also. Most famous for 88 temples set up by Kukai. Kukai actually is father of Kana. Awa Odori of Tokushima, a famous dance. Naruto is whirlpool of inland sea between Shikoku and Honshu, famous for udon. Shikoku political map. Kyushu terrain, we have third largest, fourth island of Japan. Significant geothermal activity results in mud deposits throughout the island. Active volcanically. Mount Aso is located here. Hot springs can be found here. Most popular destination for all the Japanese and foreign tourists in Japan is in Oita Prefecture, that's called Beppu, hot spring, most famous for. And Kyushu climate is, it also partakes of subtropical climate, dramatic seasonal shift, winter temperatures around freezing point, while during spring goes up to around 15 degrees. End of May, rainy season, humid, overcast days, summer comes quite in July, autumn starts from October, hot temperatures may last November onwards, the winter. Kyushu human geography can be, it is a trade center until modern times. Dazaifu, that's home to Dutch traders after national seclusion edict. Actually, we have Dejima located very close to Nagasaki, where foreign, especially Dutch merchants, were allowed to stay and trade. Nagasaki is the second city to be bombed with atomic bomb, one of the largest modern cities of Kyushu. Kyushu climate map. Okinawa, we have another major island, nearly 1,000 kilometers south of Tokyo in the Pacific. Tropical climate, receives good rainfall, temperatures stable in tropical range, grows sugarcane, pineapple and other tropical fruits, remains an important tourist site nowadays. Originally an independent kingdom, site of bloodiest battle in World War II, remained under American occupation until 1972, still hosts more than 50% of US forces in Japan, that is near 27,000 out of 47,000. This is the Okinawa political map. So by now you are familiar with geography of Japan, that is right from northernmost Hokkaido island, then middle one largest island, that is Honshu, then you have Shikoku, Kyushu and Okinawa. Thank you, good luck.